New genuine original Dell AC adapter with non-retail packaging. Output 19.5 volts 2.31A, 4.5 mm tip, 45W. Compatible SKU or DP N 0KXTTW, 00285K, 0YTFJC, 00J2X9, 070VTC, 0GKJYK. Compatible factory model LA45 New Mexico 140, DA45 New Mexico 140, HA45 New Mexico 140, HK45 New Mexico 140, FA45 New Mexico 160. Compatible computer model Inspiron 113180, Inspiron 135370, 7380, 73862 inches 1, Inspiron 145480, 5488, 54822 inches 1, 54812 inches 1, 3482, 3582, 7472, Latitude 3392 inches 1, 7212, Vostro 3481, 3572, 3582, 3583, 5370, 5371, 5381. Top reviews from the United States. Worked perfectly. Dell Branded also. Shipping was late but the product was perfect, no complaints, and it is actually Dell Branded device. Go for it. Got this 45W charger for my Dell Vostro laptop. Works well with my laptop. Highly recommend it. Fastest shipping, product as described. A+ seller. Good product. I've bought replacement AC adapter charger for Dell Inspiron 15 3000 5000 series before. None of them works for my Dell Inspiron 15 5558, but this new one works well.